Welcome to European Private Label Summit 2018. It's an online event for Amazon sellers in Europe, and it will run between December 11th to December 13th. In this video, I want to explain how this virtual summit will work, how you will be able to watch all the sessions for free. And during this event, we will be streaming 20 Amazon expert interviews. So let's see what's on agenda. If you go to europeanprivatelabelsummit.com/sessions, you can see the timetable or all the sessions which you will be able to watch during 3 days. Before I continue, I wanted to say big thanks to the 3 sponsors and partners we have for this event. It's Biddix, the automated advertising management for Amazon sellers, and Storefund. They can finance your Amazon business. And finally, European Seller Conference. It's a conference in Prague next year, March 28-29th, for Amazon sellers, private label Amazon sellers, hosted by me. And let's see what we will have on the 3 days of this European Private Label Summit. So on the first day, we'll have Danny Macmillan sharing quite interesting strategy, how he decided to source his products locally, and he's combining different components of his product and getting them from different sources in UK, and by this he's minimizing his time needed to prepare the product. And of course, when he's sourcing in different parts from different suppliers, he's also minimizing the cost of the production. Claire Taylor from Simply VAT, she will talk about VAT and other tax obligations for European sellers, e-commerce sellers in Europe. Hans Baetzen from Judo Launch, he will share his he will share the product launching strategies in Europe. David Barry from AMZ Europe, he will talk about listing optimization. Tofik Muselman, he will explain how his company got to seven figures in Europe, and he's using a strategy which he calls hybrid private label. And then finally, Sasha Gorelik, the copywriter, she will share in-depth approach, how she's researching her keywords when she's preparing the copy for Amazon listings. Oh, and we have this last session on day 1. It's by Ricky Jones from GS1. He will be talking about the barcodes. As we know, GS1 is the international company or organization for getting barcodes for e-commerce products. On day 2, Wednesday, December 12th, you will be able to listen to 7 more sessions. Actually, I forgot to mention how the virtual summit will work. So every day on December 11th, 12th and 13th, European morning time, around 8 a.m. UK time, you will receive an email from me introducing daily sessions. And you will have 6 or 7 links to watch, and these sessions will be available for 24 hours. And after 24 hours watching, they will be locked, and the next day sessions will start. So this is how you will be able to watch for free. And of course, if you don't want to sit and watch all these 3 days, you are welcome to upgrade to All Access Pass, which includes videos, over 70 videos from 3 years of European Private Label Summit, 2016, 17 and 18. So it's a big collection of Amazon expert sessions during last 3 years, because this event, virtual event, is running for the 3rd time. And in the All Access Pass, you get not only 70 sessions, but also everything in MP3 format, in audio files, which you can listen. And yeah, it includes 3 years of European Private Label Summit sessions. So on the order page, you can get the red buttons everywhere inside the sessions page and everywhere else. you will be able to see the exact offer. If we look at the speaker page, this is how you will be watching the sessions during the summit. So at the moment the session is locked, but on the Boutros session, for example, will be released on December 12th, the Wednesday, and here you will be able to see his video. So let's continue to the day 2. It's intentionally a day of Germany. Only Germans will be speaking. Some of the people have maybe not only German origin. For example, David, he's half Polish. Boutros is also originally from Palestine. So in Boutros, he used to be a top Amazon seller in Europe. Due to some cash flow issues, his company had to close down recently. But when he was selling on Amazon, he was one of the top, I don't remember exactly, is it top 10 or top 100 sellers in Germany. So I will chat with him about his strategies and how does he do his business. David Schutter from Uber Seller, he will discuss his opinion about seller challenges in nowadays, review generation, and also product launches. Do they work or not? Franz Jordan from Selix will share his keyword research for organizing PPC campaigns and also international listings. Michael Gabrielidis from Amalyze is a software company in Germany. He will give a quite interesting presentation with interesting data about European marketplaces and Germany. And he will discuss if Amazon SEO is something you have to work on, or it is something mystical. So he has quite interesting data presented in this session. Nadine Aish, she runs agency for customer support for German sellers, for sellers in Germany. And we will talk about with her about German marketplace and Germans as a buyers. Tobias Fischer, it's a very important session for many sellers, or all the sellers who are selling into Germany. He will share, let's say, bad news for Germans, for sellers into Germany. It doesn't matter if you are German registered or European registered, or you are a US company selling in Germany. There is a big change in the packaging law in Germany, and they become more strict. And if you don't comply, there will be a big fines. So I suggest to watch Tobias' video so that you can get an impression, get informed what you might need to be with what you might to comply if you haven't done that yet. You see, I'm tired talking alone to you with the camera. So finally, on Wednesday, we planned a live webinar with Max Hoffman from Biddix. He will be sharing his insights of what has happened this year in advertising space in Amazon, and so what's new for European sellers. So he will give an overview and some ideas what to do next. So I invite you December 12th, Wednesday, to the webinar at 8 a.m. Germany time and 7 p.m. UK time, or 2 p.m. Eastern if you are watching from North America. Day 3 is the last day of the summit. Again, we will have 7 sessions. And actually now I see that we will be having 21 sessions in total. So Brent Zahradnik, he's an expert in Amazon.com advertising platform for Amazon, and he wants to share what he has discovered with Amazon European marketplaces and what works for his clients in Europe. Davor Sivko, Amazon marketing specialist, will share how he helps a big German company to launch their products and because of that, they are 7-figure sellers right now in Europe. Francisco is a successful seller from Spain, and we will talk with him about, well, how he runs business and how he makes those 7 figures in Europe. George Wright from Listing People, he's actually an ex-Amazonian, and he will share some interesting thoughts how brand is important in European marketplaces and how to build it. Jana Krekic from YLT Translations, she will give some tips, or how she calls hacks, for international Amazon product listings. Nathan Hirsch from FreeUp is a specialist for hiring freelancers and delivering freelancers to Amazon sellers or any kind of entrepreneurs, and we will have a conversation about how to build the relationship with virtual assistants and freelancers. And finally, Nate Volaric, he will share his strategy, how his company scaled from 0 to 100,000 per month in a very short time. So that's 21 session in 3 days. Once again, Virtual Summit is running between December 11th to 13th. You can watch all the sessions for free, and each day you will be receiving about 6-7 links to watch. And if you don't want to wait, or if you don't want to miss sessions, or you want to have an archive of everything you have watched or what is available, please consider to upgrade to All Access Pass. And it's a low price, low commitment, but you get access to 70 sessions, I think. So basically, this year's sessions. This year we have 13 new sessions plus few sessions from 2017. But in total, if you buy the All Access Pass, you get this year's sessions, then 35 sessions from 2017, and also 26 sessions from the very first event of this type, European Private Label Summit. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it is clear how it will run, how this event will be processed, how it will run. And let me know if you have any questions. Please reply to the emails I'm sending you, contact me, and I will be glad to help you. Thank you. Bye-bye.